In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly cut audio in Audiomass. We're keeping this simple and fast. Audiomass is a free browser-based audio editor, so there's nothing to install and it works right in your web browser. To begin, head to audiomass.co. Once the page loads, input your sound. You can do that by bringing your audio file into the editor so it appears as a waveform across the screen. That waveform is a visual map of your sound. Taller peaks usually mean louder moments, while flatter areas are quieter. Seeing it laid out makes it much easier to judge where you want your edit to happen. Now highlight the part where you want the cut to end. Think of the highlight as the portion you're marking for removal, ending exactly at the point where you want the cut to stop. Click and drag across the waveform so that the highlight covers the area you're trimming out, and let the end of your highlight land precisely on the moment that should be the boundary of your cut. If you're trimming off the beginning of a recording, for example, start your highlight at the very start and drag to the spot where you want the actual audio to begin. Pay attention to visual cues in the waveform. Sudden peaks may indicate the start of speech or music, so your cut feels natural and clean. Small adjustments to the edge of the highlight can make a big difference in how smooth the transition sounds. With your highlight in place and the endpoint set exactly where you want the cut to end, go to the toolbar and click the scissor icon. This is the cut tool. The moment you click it, Audiomass will remove the highlighted section and close the gap, bringing the remaining audio together seamlessly. You'll see the waveform update right away, reflecting the edit you just made. If you highlighted from the start of the file to your chosen endpoint, you've effectively trimmed off the beginning up to that precise mark. That's it, your cut is done. A quick note on accuracy. Choosing a clear endpoint makes your edit sound intentional, especially around words or beats. Use the visual shape of the audio to guide your selection so you land on a natural transition. Once you've made the cut with the scissor tool, your timeline now reflects the cleaned up version of your audio with the unwanted section removed. And that's all you need to make a quick, clean cut in Audiomass. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined audio.